Hello everyone, I'm very honored to introduce you WUZHOUFENG's patent technology products, multi-stage chelated elements. Let's take the chelated zinc for example. One question: what are the advantages of chelated elements compared with inorganic ones? Let's start an experiment to demonstrate what happens when zinc sulfate and ammonium sulfate DAP are applied in the soil at the same time. Firstly, add a certain amount of water, and then add zinc sulfate and DAP solution respectively. We can see that the liquid in the flask becomes turbid and a white insoluble precipitate appears. The precipitate cannot be absorbed by plants. Next, add a certain amount of water to the new flask. Point to the WUZHOUFENG Chelated Zinc, which produced by the patent granulation technology, in the form of macro granules to prevent dust pollution. You can see a small amount of water to dissolve a large number of products. There are no agglomerations at the bottom after pouring into the water. Shake the flask. Dissolve quickly. A large number of microbubbles will be formed in the solution. Settle down for a while. The liquid completely clear and transparent. Now, I'm going to show you something amazing. Please don't blink. Pouring the chelated zinc solution into the previous precipitate, and it can be noticed that the precipitate in the flask was significantly reduced and eventually it was completely clear. A large amount of DAP solution is added to the remaining chelated zinc solution. A notability is observed in our chelated zinc solution. The phenomenon above shows that our products not only do not react with chemical fertilizer to form precipitation, but also can dissociate the formed precipitate and be reabsorbed by plants. After learning about our product, let's show you the characteristics of other brand. Adding appropriate amount of water to the flask, and adding chelated zinc of other brand, which is ordinary ultrafine powder, which can cause serious dust pollution. You can see there are some white powder sticking to at the bottleneck. Although it is also fully water soluble, it can be seen that the powder forms agglomerates at the bottom of the bottle. After shaking the flask, there is still partially undissolved due to its ordinary powdery morphology. The other brands of chelated zinc successfully dissociate already formed precipitates. Let's do an experiment. First, a series of precipitates is prepared using the same method. And then all the dissolved chelated zinc was poured in. And the precipitate was not reduced. It is proved that it could not re-dissociate the fixed nutrients. In summary, WUZHOUFENG's products adopt the original patented technology. The chelated elements have a macroparticle structure and a honeycomb-like power structure. Compared with similar chelated zinc products, it can be fast dissolved, not agglomerate, dissociate the fixed state nutrients in the soil, and play a role in improving the soil, reducing the fertilizer usage and increasing the fertilizer efficiency.